So we might not get there, guys. Just got pulled over by the cop. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. My name is Carl. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. All right, this is take 3. We're trying to get to a mule ride from a canal that while you're in a boat. What exactly is that? I have no idea. So early in the summer, we were gonna go to Starved Rock. So as we were going there, there's this kind of decrepit sign that said Mule Boat Canal Ride, and this is our 3rd attempt. The first time we tried it, there was a pandemic. Second time we tried it, it's not available on Sundays, only Saturdays. So this is a 3rd attempt, so wish us luck. We were making really good time, but then Rosalie got really hungry, so we wanted to stop over at McDonald's. And then the unthinkable happened. So we might not get there, guys. Just got pulled over by the cop. No left turn. Dodged one. Only a warning this time. Whew. Okay, let's just see if we make it. Only 10 minutes left. That really slowed us down. Our appointment was at 1 o'clock and we had less than 15 minutes to get there. So it wasn't looking very good. We're about a few minutes before they leave, so we're trying to catch it. So come on, guys, keep going. We just went inside, got our tickets. Now we have to go over the bridge. Woo! It's a close one. Not the first time, not the last time. Getting pulled over by a cop is not a good thing when you're in a rush. Oh my goodness. I'll see it. I'll see the boat. Look at this. Now we gotta go down a path. For Santos Chronicles, it's an adventure trying to get to the adventure. Whew. We actually made it. So we only missed a couple of minutes of them explaining about the mule. And I really think they do this on purpose, just in case of stragglers, just like us. All right, today we are at the I&M Canal Mule-Pulled Boat Rides. I wasn't really sure what this was all about. Mule pulling boats. Why are we doing this? So anyways, let's check it out and let's go.
My name is Matthew. I was a tour guide and still a mule tender. We'll start with this boat, the Volunteer. It was built in 2008, 2009, but it's about 12 years old now. It's a replica packet boat. Packet boats were used on the canal here in LaSalle as modes of transportation for people. They were built to take people from point A to point B. More often than not, they were taking people from, say, LaSalle here to Utica, 5 miles down the trail. These boats were often pulled by 2 or 3 mules at a time, sometimes a few more if the boat was particularly full that day. Yeah.
Thank you.
So they're connecting up the boat with the mule right now. This is pretty interesting. This 19th century mule-pulled canal ride takes us back in time when mules used to pull people and cargo down from LaSalle all the way to Chicago. I never thought I'd take a ride on a boat being pulled by mule. This is crazy. It's pretty neat though.
I'm actually a history teacher, so I love this kind of stuff and like make my family go to these kind of things, and they usually enjoy them, though they complain up front a little bit. But yeah, it was a nice history lesson and it's a great day for it. It's like a nice breeze and you know, it's pretty unique.
What should people know about this canal?
It was pretty much what built America from here westward. If it weren't for this, we wouldn't Illinois wouldn't be the state it is today. It stretched from here in LaSalle all the way up to Chicago at one point, allowing travel between what was then the far east of the country to the far west of the country.
So I know this was the mule ride. What was the reason that the folks used a mule rather than a horse or any other kind of animal?
Well, mules are generally more durable, tough. They live longer lives. They have healthier immune systems. Junior there is about 17 years of age, which is already getting pretty old for another horse, which can live to be about 20 to 30 if you're lucky. Mules can live to be at least double that, up to 40, 50, sometimes even 60 I hear.
I had him right here. You right there? Oh, right here.
Good job, Rosalie.
Good job. Just like the horsies, remember? Good job. High five.
After 3 attempts, getting over pool with a cop, we finally was able to do the Mule Canal boat ride. It was a lot of fun, totally worth it. So hey, if you want to check out any other videos, check out some videos on the end card.
Well, make sure to like and subscribe to this video down below and hit that notification bell while you're at it so you know when a new video comes out. Till the next journey, bye!